Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some MCQs for upcoming AIIMS Rishikesh exams and ESIC for pharmacist and staff nurse exam. So let's see. It's a part second. So there are 20 MCQs. Question number 31. World Health Day is celebrated. Option A 7th May, B 7th April, C 25 June and D 20 July. Right answer is B 7th April. 7th April is celebrated as World Health Day. Next question. Which vitamin is also known as sunshine vitamin? A vitamin A, B vitamin B, C vitamin C and D vitamin D. Right answer is D vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin. Next question. How many chromosomes are there in humans? A 22, B 23, C 25 and D 26. Right answer is B 23 pairs of chromosomes present in humans. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of virology? A. W.M. Stanley, B. Robert Koch, C. Louis Pasteur and D. Robert Hooke. Right answer is W.M. Stanley. W.M. Stanley is known as the father of virology, and virology is the study of virus. Next question. Genetic mutation occurs in option A protein, B RNA, C DNA and D ribosomes. Right answer is C DNA. Genetic mutation occurs in DNA cells. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of pharmacy? A. David Walters, B. Galen, C. William Proctor, D. Peter Kingsburg. Right answer is B. Galen. Galen is known as the father of pharmacy. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of chemotherapy? A. Domgek, B. Paul Ehrlich, C. Alexander Fleming and D. William Harvey. Right answer is B. Paul Ehrlich. Paul Ehrlich is known as the father of chemotherapy. Next question. Which was the sulfur derivative invented that gave a remarkable change in treatment of leprosy? A. Sulfanilamide, B. Dapsone, C. Sucrasulfate, D. Sulfasalazine. Right answer is B. Dapsone. Dapsone is the only drug that is used for treatment of leprosy. Next question. Which content is present in breast milk that protect the baby from malaria? A. Lactoferrin, B. Para-aminobenzoic acid, C. Immunoglobulin A and D. Immunoglobulin G. Right answer is B. Para-aminobenzoic acid, PABA, is present in the breast milk that protects baby from the malaria. Next question. Which condition is used to assessing Braden scale? A. Burn injury, B. bed sore, C. Coma and D. muscle strength. Right answer is B. Bed sore. Braden scale is used for the assessing of bed sore. Next question. Who found the link between cholera and contaminated water? A. John Snow, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Ronald Ross and D. John Smith. Right answer is A. John Snow. John Snow is the scientist that found the link between the cholera and contaminated water. Next question. Which of the most common occupational hazards for computer worker? A. Carpal tunnel syndrome, B. Cataract, C. Lung disease and D. Cancer. Right answer is C. Right answer is A. Carpal tunnel syndrome. The most common occupational hazards for computer workers is carpal tunnel syndrome. Next question. Which among the following signs and symptoms will be seen in patient with hypovolemia? A. Hypertension, B. Increased heart rate, C. Bounding pulse and D. Urine output 30 ml per hour. Right answer is B. Increased heart rate. Increased heart rate showing in the patient with hypovolemia. Next question. Which of the following substance can lead to neurological injury in a newborn known as kernicterus? A. Bilirubin, B. Conjugated bilirubin, C. Unconjugated bilirubin, and D. Biliverdin. Right answer is C. Unconjugated bilirubin. Next question. Which among the following bacteria is considered as a link between bacteria and virus? A. Mycoplasma, B. Spirochetes, C. Vibrios, and D. Protozoa. Right answer is A. Mycoplasma. Next question. Which body cells contain no nucleus? A. RBC, B. WBC, C. Monocytes, and D. Skeletal muscles. Right answer is A. RBC. RBC has no nucleus. Next question. BMR decreases in following condition. A. Thyrotoxicosis, B. Hypothyroidism, C. Hyperthyroidism, and D. Fever. Right answer is B. Hypothyroidism. In hypothyroidism condition, basal metabolic rate is decreased, and in thyrotoxicosis, hyperthyroidism, and in fever, BMR is increased. Next question. Renal calculi is seen in A. Hyperthyroidism, B. Hypothyroidism, C. Hyperparathyroidism, and D. Hypoparathyroidism. Right answer is C. Hyperparathyroidism. Renal calculi is seen in the hyperparathyroidism. Next question. Peyer's patches are found in the following part of the gastrointestinal tract. A. Gastric mucosa, B. Mucosa of duodenum, C. Mucosa of ileum, and D. colon. Right answer is C. Mucosa of ileum. Peyer's patches are found in the mucosa of ileum. Next question. Most common site used for taking liver biopsy is A. Lumbar region, B. Sacral region, C. Umbilical region, and D. Hypochondrial region. Right answer is D. Hypochondrial region. Because of liver present in the hypochondrial region of the abdomen, so the common site that is used for taking liver biopsy is hypochondrial region. Thank you for watching us.